Danuta Maria Hübner for 1.5 minutes.
Thank you, Chair, Minister, colleagues. Over the last years, a lot has been said about innovation, and it has become a symbol of a policy instrument that can fix all our problems. So there are huge expectations, and we must deliver. And the time has come, I think, now to be more pragmatic. Without doubt, innovation can play a fundamental role in reinvigorating growth in the European economy, but for this to happen, we need a concrete, strong and joint public-private effort. This effort should aim at improving framework conditions, access to funding and refocusing innovation policy. But what matters most now is time, and we must move quickly and decisively from ambition to action, identifying and eliminating factors that still hinder innovation in Europe, but first and foremost designing effective new policy instruments. European Innovation Partnership can be such an instrument, potentially excellent. To put the first European Innovation Partnerships in action, we should act, in my view, with urgency, and our approach should be learning by doing and using good practice that does exist in Europe. Today, innovation is usually born within a well-functioning innovation system where regions play a key role. This means that we can accelerate the move toward an innovation-based economy by fully exploiting the potential of the current cohesion policy investment in innovation, which is €85 billion, as well as its future post-2013 commitment to smart growth. Cohesion policy can make innovation work across all member states and regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Commissioner. And now I give the floor to my colleague Balčytis for 1 minute.
Ačiū, gerbiamas pirmininkė, gerbiami kolegos. Inovacijų politika ir technologijų pasiekimų įgyvendinimas turėtų tapti